Hi, and welcome to another picoAUDIO Getting Started guide. In this tutorial, we're going to connect an LCD display to the picoAUDIO to show the associated ID3 metadata for the currently playing track, the current track position, and the track count. This particular LCD module is 16 characters wide by 2 characters high. The LCD is driven by a parallel interface with a number of pins. The pin count required to directly drive the LCD is too high for the picoAUDIO, so to aid us in this task, we've soldered an I2C LCD controller directly to the LCD. Here on the back of the LCD, we can see that we have 4 I2C pins, one for ground, VCC, SDA, and SCL. Before we go ahead and connect the LCD screen to the picoAUDIO, we'll take a quick look at the pinout card available on the Getting Started page. We can see that the SCL and SDA pins are highlighted at the top of the pin header breakout on the right hand side of the board. And we can see that the 5 volt and ground pins are available on the inside of the double header breakout. Okay, let's go ahead and connect ground to ground, VCC to 5 volts, SDA to SDA, and SCL to SCL. We'll use some female to male jumper wires to achieve this. We'll start with the ground pin. Then we'll connect VCC on the LCD display to 5 volts on the picoAUDIO. Following that, we'll connect the SDA line. And finally, we'll connect the SCL line. Now that the two devices are successfully connected together, we'll connect the picoAUDIO to its power source. Confirm that the LCD powers up. If you're having problems, be sure to check your wiring. I'll just neaten this up a little bit and switch to another view. Now we can plug the device back in and skip through a few tracks. Here you can see that we've rolled around to the end of the playlist. That about wraps it up for this tutorial. Now I'm just going to kick back and listen to this great track by Rufus DeSoul.
I've been waiting all this time.